Hello everyone, welcome to our new series dedicated to master algebra. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of equations, inequalities, and so on. We will cover anything from the basics to advanced topics with a clear explanation and interactive examples. Whether you are a student, a parent, or just someone who loves maths, this series is for you. Please subscribe and join us on this algebraic adventure. Today I will start with some definition of algebra, and the first one is variable. This one is it is a letter that represents an unknown value or a changing value. All letters like X, Y, A, and so on. For example, if I have 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, if I don't know this 2, what number I add, that unknown number, that gives me 5. When I add that unknown number in 5, that is called variable. The second in this definition we have to know is constant. Constant is a quantity which is not changed, like all numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. In algebraic, we have also the third term. We call it term. Term, it is made up of numbers and variables put together by multiplication and separated by addition or subtraction. There can be 2 or more terms in an expression. For example, if I have 2x plus 5, I have 2 terms, 2x and 5. Or if I have 5x plus 3y, this has 2 terms, 2 terms in this. These are called terms. Or I could even do like if I have let's say 3x squared plus 7ab plus 2e. These are a 3 term. The first term, second term, and the third term. These are terms. The next one is algebraic expression. Expression is a mathematical statement that contains terms like numbers and variables and at least one operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or even division. So, for example, if I have x squared divided by 2, this is an expression. Or if I have 2x squared, this is an expression by itself. If I have 4xy plus 7, this is called expression. The other term we have to know here is let's say coefficient. Coefficient, if I have the value x, there is a coefficient. Or if I have 2x, let's go by 2x. Coefficient is the number part of a term that multiply a variable or a power of a variable. In a simple term, it is the number before a variable in an expression. It's the number part of an expression. If I have 2x squared, 2 is a coefficient of x squared. If I have 3x, 3 is the coefficient of x. A special one is if I have x squared. If I have x squared, that means I have 1 here, but we don't write it by agreement. We don't write if it is 1. But in hidden term, we have 1 as a coefficient. The other one is, we can say monomial. Monomial is an algebraic expression which consists of a non-zero terms, or it's called monomial. If I have, for example, x is a monomial, 10ab is a monomial, 5mc is a monomial, minus 2a is a monomial. On the other side of monomial, we could have binomial. Binomial, it contains at least 2 expressions, or it's an algebraic expression which consists of 2 non-zero terms. It's called binomial. For example, 2a plus 3b, this is binomial because we have 2 terms. If I have 10x squared plus 2y is binomial. We can have also trinomial, which has 3 terms in one, connected by plus or minus, or an algebraic expression which consists of 3 non-zero terms only is called a trinomial. For example, if I have trinomial, let's say if I have x plus y plus z is a trinomial, or 5x squared minus 9y to the 4 plus c is a trinomial because it has 3 values, 3 terms. If I have 5x plus 3y, 5y plus 6, it is a trinomial. Finally, but not the least, is equation. What is equation? Equation is a mathematical statement in which 2 expressions are set to equal to each other. For example, if I have 3x plus 5 is equal to 7x plus 2, this expression is equal to the other expression, this. So this is called equation. Or if I have y is equal to 2 plus 3, that's also an equation. In the next video, we will look at associative property of addition and multiplication, and commutative property of addition and subtraction. Thank you for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.